Hi YouTube, here we are again once more with a brand new video, brand new type of video. A video where you become involved because I want some suggestions, I want some feedback. Of course you don't have to give me any feedback if you don't want to, but that's what I'd appreciate. So I started this channel 6 years ago, back in 2015. I started with, what did I start with? Maintenance tutorials, and then I got a couple reviews in. Those videos kind of suck ass, but they did kind of well. But within just the last month, I have more than doubled my subscriber base. Not being like an amazing thing, considering I have 200 something subscribers, which thank you so much to everybody who's been subscribing. And rating my videos. I've been having so many thumbs up, more than I ever expected. But that's got me a bit confused of where to go next, because I love devoting time to this channel. I love spreading my wisdom on butterfly knives with almost 10 years of flipping experience, maybe more, maybe less. I don't feel like doing math right now. And I'm loving all the support I'm getting. But the support, I want to make sure that I'm in turn giving you guys the content that you want. So I was thinking about how I'd break up my videos, and I wanted to break them up into definitely 4 different types of videos, right? So you've got the reviews I've been working on, which do pretty well. The trick tutorials, which I've been only doing really simple stuff since I want to have a good base and then move on to more complex stuff. I also have just general talking about butterfly knife, which was like things to know to get into butterfly knives. And then I have my shorts videos, which those definitely like bring in the most views, comments, likes, and subscribers. But instead of just going off of analytics and being like a robot or an AI, I want to ask you guys, like, what do you believe, what do you guys like to see the most, you know? Like, I don't want to make content that nobody really likes. Like, say, I'm making trick tutorials, but that's not what people are here for. They want to see more reviews and general discussion. Or maybe people don't want to see reviews, they want to see more shorts videos. Because, I mean, those are always fun to make. But sometimes they get 100 views, sometimes they get 5,000. I have no idea how to guess what they're going to get, you know? So, think of this video as me dropping butterfly knives because I don't want to make many cuts. Think of this video as like that sort of thing where I'm asking, I want to see what you guys want. Make sure I'm not putting out stuff that's disinteresting. And that actually brings us to a 5th potential video, which is what I'm doing right now. Kind of just shooting the shit, flipping butterfly knives around, not doing anything crazy. I'm focusing a lot on the conversation, so I'm not going to have a lot of varied tricks here because I'm thinking about what I'm saying. But what do you guys want to see of those 5 types of videos? Reviews, trick tutorials, talking about how to get into butterfly knives and discussion of them, shorts, or just flipping and chatting with you guys. Comment what you're interested in, comment what you'd like to see, comment suggestions of how you'd like to see certain thing, like what type of videos. Maybe there's a type of video I haven't thought of you think that could be interesting for me to do. This is a double-sided butterfly knife, it's very scary. Flip. But that's basically, I'm gonna flip it over the bed. So that's this whole video is, what would you like to see more from me? Of those 5 types of videos, do you have any suggestions? Just to discuss a little bit more about the butterfly knives. So I started revamping this channel when COVID hit, because obviously I didn't have much to do, just like everybody else. And also I had just graduated college, so I had so much more time in my hands. So then I started just doing some more reviews. The reviews were kicking off. I did a couple shorts videos. Those blew up, and now I've had more than double growth in my subscribers in less than a month. And it seems like there's an audience out there that likes my content, but I want to help grow it, not become stagnant, and make videos that people aren't interested in, you know what I'm saying? So would that be flipping these things around? I mean, I love this knife. This is easily one of the coolest knives I've ever had. flipping these things around. Is there a specific brand you guys want me to look at? Like Atropos, his knife videos seem to do pretty well. People seem really interested in his work. Might be a little too scared to get it because it is from Australia, and shipping from Australia is pretty confusing. This thing does not chaplain super well. It's very blade heavy. I've had worse, but this is a blade heavy knife. Do you want me to try to do reviews of every single knife that I own? I would review this thing. It's a work of art. It's a Balisong, but it's also a work of art. I want to work through every single knife in this video. Obviously the replicant, just to update you on this, I do plan on doing a replicant review pretty soon. Like, this is the knife I'm not afraid to do crazy tricks with, and then drop it. This is a knife I'm not afraid to do crazy tricks with because I have the most experience with it, and I can grab it. I can grab this thing by the blade because I know exactly how its blade works, how its balance works, and that sort of situation, right? So this is like my favorite knife. Another question I have is, when I do upload shorts videos, do you prefer that they are first person, like you are watching right now, or would you prefer them to be head on? I'm not sure what kind of stuff you guys prefer. I'm just gonna do some fun tricks with this thing. Give me a second here. I'm telling you guys, the replicant is the best butterfly knife ever made. Love this thing. I actually used to have a replicant. It was beat to shit. I got it for $120 back in like 2014 or something. Someone carved in here little like lines so that there's more grip on the chevrons, and they lopped off like a ½ inch. And let me tell you, I am so sad I don't have that thing anymore. It's on my Instagram. It was kind of ugly, kind of fucking gorgeous, and it was the best butterfly knife I ever flipped. And I wish I knew where it was. I'd buy it back in a second. I do plan on also doing a review on the Benchmade 42. Overrated classic. Overrated now, but definitely when it came out, it was worth the hype because there were not many good flipping butterfly knives out there. The Benchmade 42 was one of a kind when it was out. Now it's just a little bit too blade biased for modern flipping. And if you can't tell, it's a very loud Benchmade 42. I got it cheap because I forgot what the situation is. It was carved or like grinded too much somewhere, so the channels just slam into the knife. I forgot why. The owner said, I think it was like ground too much, and he was telling me about that. And I got it for basically a steal because of that situation, but I love this Benchmade 42. I've had others in the past, but this is one of the best ones. Obviously, the Spyderco Small Fly 2. Pretty nice knife. Nothing insane. This is my utility knife for sure. So I never do anything too crazy with it. And you can't really do too crazy with it because it wasn't really made for flipping. But it is a beautiful S30V. Cuts through anything. I've been doing a lot of shit with this lately. And of course, the best butterfly knife that I own. You can do some crazy tricks with this. Woo! Woo! Yoo-hoo! And then, just a little hobby I've been getting into. Beglery. This is from Around Square. I don't know if this looks good on camera or not. I haven't checked. But I've been trying to incorporate butterfly knife tricks into it. Like chaplains. Right? The reason I bought this was because it's like a butterfly knife that you can actually bring into the office. You can bring it into work and you won't get in trouble. So yeah, there we go. There's my rambling video. It's more of a call to action. What do you guys want to see? What are you interested in? Comment, leave likes if you like this sort of thing, dislike. Please comment suggestions. I'm very interested in producing content you guys want to see and passing my wisdom of years of butterfly knife flipping onto you guys. I'll just lay it out once more so that everybody remembers. Would you like to see videos? Tell me how much you like these videos. Review videos, trick tutorial videos, discussion about getting into butterfly knives and general butterfly knife discussion, shorts, and lastly, flipping and just shooting the shit like I am right now. See you guys later.